You held my hand through every fall, taught me how to stand up tall, showed me how to ride the wind. With open arms, you'd pull me in. Through the storms and through the sun, your voice has always been the one. Footsteps guiding where I go, lessons whispered soft and slow. Every moment, every mile, you have shaped me with your smile. Laughed with me, just hand in hand. Taught me how to chase my dreams, mend the cracks and stitch the seams. Through the years I've come to see, you gave the best of you to me. Footsteps guiding